After waiting a week for postage, everything sort of turned up at once yesterday afternoon and this morning. So here's a little update. My new gas regulator turned up, so I could get on with some welding yesterday afternoon. Put my outer sill on here and the upper bit of sill just below the door, so the inner door sill. I need to finish that off today, but that's coming along. On a lathe, I've laid that middle of the Evo 8 discs to match the centre bore of the old disc. I've got some fixings for when I make my adapter plates and some spacers to space the PCD back. Hopefully all my measurements are going to be right, which I've done on paper. So this now slits in here. I've got to drill the holes now, weld this one up and then drill it, and then I can fix that to the back. These are quite nice stainless steel fixings. Also these arrived, S13 adjustable camber tops for when I build the coilovers. I'm using original s12 struts and a Coilover Conversion. I'll show you how that's done. I'm getting ones off my friend Sean, who's got the 720 horsepower S12. He's also in the UK. He's upgraded to the S14 setup, so I'm getting his S12 coilovers to rebuild from him, which is great. There we go. Oh, and I've also bought a pair of rear wheels, which are coming from Slovenia. They are 17 by 10J. They're for the rears. I haven't ordered any fronts yet, but I'm probably going to go for 9Js or 8.5Js for the front. The rears, we're going to go for a stretch tyre as well. Not too stretched, but enough that I can go flush and low without scrub. So I'm going to be getting on with this today and possibly drilling these discs. That's where we stand at the moment. It's all rebuilt with new metal, indented on the weld so that it can be filled without grinding the weld off, and the old Testarossa bit of kit has been brought off and taken back to bare metal back there. Got rid of the surface rust. Even though that there's a GP kit going on this, I still want it to be solid behind the GP kit. So I'm making sure that's all alright.